Hi everyone, so today I am going to do a video on how to shake and pop the booty. I'm not an instructor, I'm not a dance teacher, but it's just stuff that I've learned, little tricks that I've watched and kind of figured out and been like, okay, this kind of helps me. So I guess it's like a beginner's video for somebody who wants to learn how to like shake the booty and twerk and move it. Like in the past, I've done videos on how to move your body like a snake, like a tornado, how to body roll, as you can go back and watch them. But I've always said, for me to learn, I like to isolate the body part and the other body parts, and only the one that I'm interested in will be able to move. So I kind of come up with little tricks like that. Like I've said, when you want to move the waist, you isolate the top, so then you can just move the waist. And then when you want to move the top, you isolate the bottom, and then you can incorporate the two after once you get used to doing both of them. So, like I said, what I've come up with in my little way of learning how is I want to isolate this part and then the leg. So you just want to move the booty. And it helps if you're not able to move anything else but just the waist. So then you try, and at first you're going to be stiff. And the more you practice and the more you do it, your body will unstiffen. And it's almost like right now you're trying to grease it to like get the stiffness out. So you're trying to like be very fluid and flow. I know in a lot of the videos that I do when I explain dance is I like to refer to like water flowing, because rhythm and music is, it flows like water. And then if you want to move your body, you know, it's like fluid, you have to flow with it. And it's like, I don't know, I feel to explain it like that, you get a visual and you can imagine it, and then your body kind of just goes like that with it. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so one tip I would suggest is you find a surface like a banister or somewhere where you can be able to like, because you have to bend obviously, but like I would suggest first you use your elbows, so you like go on the elbows, and then afterwards I'll show you use your hands. And then for the feet, you're going to be on tippy toes, so you're going to like spread the legs a little bit, and then you're going to go on tippy toes. So it kind of like you can't move anything else but that area. So you do that at first, and it's just to teach yourself to move the hips and to like get used to just moving that. So I apologize in advance for like, you know, not facing the camera, but it is a video on how to move and shake the booty. So let's get to it. So like I said, I'm going to put the elbows like this. I'm just making sure the camera can see. Okay, so then you stick up the butt and you go on your tippy toes, ladies. And then you hold yourself with the elbows, so you're like this. Is that comfortable? Yes. And then you go boom, like at first you go slow, you know, you try to get used to it, and you can move your hips in different directions, slowly, just to get used to it, get in the comfort zone of doing it. And then you can go faster. You go up and down, you go faster, you know, you can go slowly at first. I would suggest you go slow, and then when you get the rhythm, and then this is flat foot. And then this is holding on to it like this. This is on tippy toes. Remember, boom, 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 and then you could go slower. You could go, you wind it, you learn how to wind the hips first, and then boom, 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 boom. You go fast, you can go this way, you can go that way, sideways. It's way easier to do it to music, obviously, but unfortunately I can't play music with the copyright issues. So that's one way of doing it. It is a bit of a workout because you're going to be out of breath after, It also, by doing that, imagine doing that for 10 minutes, you're gonna tone that booty all the way, and your tummy too. So it's a workout, it's fun, it's learning how to move the hips. Like I will say, if you already know how to move hips, you know, in different directions, it does make it easier to like pop the booty. So once again, let's go again. Boom, 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 boom. Fun with it, and you go with it, and you flow with it, like I said. So that's my little video, my little trick on how to like pop the booty. And when you're doing, you pop the booty out, you know, you pop it out, so it helps. And just have fun and listen to the music. Like, it's important to pick music and go with the rhythm, go with that beat. So if there's like boom, 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 you can just like boom, boom, boom. And then afterwards, you won't need a support banister. You can just do it on your own, right? You can use your knees and you can do it like that, or you don't have to use the knees at all. So it's just a little trick on how to do it, how to practice. And once again, if you practice, 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 you're gonna be able to do it in no time and like really pop out that booty and shake it and move it. And then you can, you know, go up and go down and go all around and, you know, practice that. Ow, I hit my knee on this. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. I hope you give me 2 thumbs up and you let me know if it helped, if my little tricks were good for you. I know for me, I learned, like I said, I'm not an expert, but I was just like watching how to do things, and like in my head, I'm like, okay, like this, just to make it easier on how to do stuff. So I figured I would share that with you. I hope you liked it. I hope it did help, and I would love to hear from you. And let me know what's up. Subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and I will end it here. So thank you so much. I'm sending you positivity and lots of love. Take care.